Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an avid Amazon shopper like me, keeping track of your purchase history is essential, whether it's for returns, warranties, or just budgeting. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to view your purchase history on Amazon in 2025. It's easier than ever with the latest updates, so let's dive right in. First, open the Amazon website or app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, just enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, look for the Accounts and Lists icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to all your personal settings. Next, click on Accounts and Lists, and then select Your Account from the drop-down menu. In 2025, Amazon has streamlined this with a more intuitive dashboard, so navigation is a breeze. Scroll down or use the search bar within your account to find Purchase History. It might be under a new Order Management section for better organization. When you click on Purchase History, you'll see a detailed list of all your past orders, sorted by date. You can easily filter by time periods, like the last month or year, or search for specific items. One of the cool new features in 2025 is the AI-assisted search. Simply type something like Show Electronics from 2024, and it pulls up relevant results instantly. If you need more details on an order, just click on it to view shipping info, tracking numbers, or even initiate a return. Pro tip: if you're managing finances, look for the export option to download your history as a CSV file. This is perfect for record keeping. And there you have it. That's how you check your purchase history on Amazon in 2025. It's straightforward and saves you time. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.